So there you have it. It's running, and right now, the AutoCAD for Mac is available for our beta testers. And one of the questions that we've been getting is, why now? And it really ties back to the fact that Macintoshes are popular with our customers. It's a really simple answer, but we've found that our customers, especially in the architecture community, in industrial design, are increasingly using the Mac platform for business purposes. And we've had them ask for the product. You know, the volume level, if you will, of the requests coming in has been steadily rising. You know, it's about 3 years ago, I think, one of the folks in our product management team came forward and handed a binder that was about 200 pages thick with requests from people asking for the Mac version of AutoCAD. And that binder has only grown to 600, 1,000, 2,000, and you know, a countless number of pages, people asking us to port or make AutoCAD available in a Mac native way. And so we are very pleased that we were able to do it. And as I said, we put AutoCAD out to our beta customers. In fact, this has been the fastest growing beta community in our user base. We've had lots of people wanting to try it, give us really great feedback. I love the kid in the candy store quote, you know, the Mac feel with an AutoCAD heart quote that I shared with you. And since yesterday, when we actually previewed the news to some press, there's been a whole bunch of quick pieces of feedback on all the social networks that confirms the level of interest from our customers on having AutoCAD available for the Mac. So the question, of course, the next question after all of this is, when? And the answer to that is, we are making this product available in the fall. And in fact, we are taking pre-orders from our customers starting on Wednesday, which I think is tomorrow. Many of our partners are taking pre-orders from our customers on this product. So it's open for business. You know, the other thing that we are doing is, I know the education community is wild about the Mac. And at Autodesk, we really believe in empowering students and educators around the world. So we're making AutoCAD for the Mac available for free to anyone who is a student or an accredited educator. So we're making sure that folks everywhere have a great experience with this product. So we're really thrilled to be able to do that. Okay. Now, our story with AutoCAD for the Mac builds out to being AutoCAD for everyone. And what we're doing is making AutoCAD technology available, in addition to the Mac, on the web, as well as on mobile devices, such as the iPhone and the iPad. And our story begins, and the reason we're doing that, again, is the fact that we're watching businesses around the world starting to use devices such as the iPad for work. Now, I think the iPad is like a crossover device, and these images that went by on screen are actual examples of architectural or product ideas that were created by some of our customers on the iPad using an application called Sketchbook Mobile. And we knew the game had changed when, you know, in one of these meetings that we walked into, we watched the designers, the industrial designers, walk into the meeting with an iPad and showing concept sketches like the one that you're seeing on the screen, explaining the kinds of products that they were trying to build. So we've really seen a sea change in the way people are using mobile devices, not just in their personal life, but also now in their business life. So we decided to pay more attention and take things more seriously. And so we're building a custom application called AutoCAD WS that runs first for anyone with a web browser, and then we have a native implementation for iOS devices, such as the iPad and iPhone, that gives people a superior experience. So just to show you the experience on the web browser, this is anyone who has a Safari or Firefox is able to bring up an AutoCAD drawing that is exported to the cloud and be able to view it and try it out, you know, and edit it and do some basic collaboration with it with someone who may be using a full version of AutoCAD using nothing but a browser. So this application, again, all you need is a web browser, and you're able to access the drawing from anywhere at any time, see it, view it, do some basic editing. But in addition to the web application that you just saw, for the iPad and the iPhone, we have a specific native implementation, a mobile application, also branded AutoCAD WS, that we're about to show you. And in fact, to demonstrate it, it's my pleasure to invite our Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Carl Bass, to show you that in action. There you go.
It's really kind of a fun application. So there you can zoom and pan with it. It's amazing. We were joking, you can tickle your drawing, and all it needs to do is let out a little bit of a laugh here. And it's really responsive. And one is, I think, the visual quality on it's amazing. I think the second thing about it is the responsiveness of it's great. You can also do things like the same kind of editing functions that you can do as you can on the web application. You can do the same thing here, which is great. And the best thing about this is a collaborative tool. So you can sit here and you can be using it, and if Amar had another iPad, or if he was running on his Mac, we could be looking at the same drawing at the same time and updating simultaneous. And so it brings it into all kinds of business applications, easy to imagine in the field at a construction site, easy to imagine on a shop floor in a factory. All of these places now become reasonable ways to collaborate with people and just to distribute and move design information around.
Right, and so the fidelity that you see is exact. So what you create using your design desktop is what shows up on the iPad or the iPhone. As Carl said, it lets you connect to that information from anywhere. And I just showed a cool feature there, which is you can see these drawings in high contrast by switching modes very quickly.
This is Amar's favorite feature.
This is my favorite feature.
Okay, there you go, Amar.
Yeah, thank you.
I like tickling my drawing. He likes doing this.
Right. And certainly you can mark up, as Carl was showing, you can make comments on it, or you can do that in real time and make sure that if you're out in the field and you see a condition and you want to get information back to somebody, let's say you're on a conference call in real time, you can show them the part of the drawing that's creating that field condition, saying, the duct is running into the structural column here and things like that. So, and as you can see, it's easy to use. Anyone can use it.
Almost anyone. No, it's a great application.
Right. So it's available for, as Carl, it's available for free, right? So,
absolutely. So this will be a free application. It's available this fall, and it's a great companion product for AutoCAD on the Mac. It makes perfect sense. Design in the office, using your Mac, use your MacBook to do it in a more mobile sense, and take this to anywhere. Right. Perfect for the job site, perfect for distributing drawings, great for more casual use. So anyone who just wants to review or mark up, it's a great application for doing that.
Right. Excellent. Great. Thanks. So there you have it. AutoCAD for everyone, accessible from anywhere at any time, on the Mac, on the iPhone, and on the iPad.